Hope you're doing really well today. My name is Jair. I create men's fashion and lifestyle content. You're watching part 2 of a 2-part video where I was lucky enough to go to JCPenney and purchase a bunch of items for a year of wellness. Now, if you are wondering or you want to check out my channel, my YouTube is youtube.com/Jair, which will be linked down below in the down bar. Now, if you have been following me for my channel, you know that I just moved into a new place and I'm all about looking good, feeling good, and taking care of the inside. And that is one of my goals for 2020. I want to be just super healthy and just feel good. I want to be the best version of me that I can be. And I like JCPenney a lot because they have a wide variety of products, just a big selection of different things. You can get, some clothing, you can get awesome cookware, you can get awesome wellness items, you can get bedding, you can get shoes, you can get anything pretty much. So I'm going to share with you what I picked up, especially for my new place. So I'm going to start off with this. All right, you guys, first thing that I got is this Keurig. I love me a Keurig. I had one, but it broke down, so this is perfect timing that I just got this one. Coffee, for me, makes me feel great. I love my coffee every single morning. I look forward to that first sip of coffee. If you're a coffee lover like myself, I mean, you get it. We're on the same page. So this is my new Keurig. I'm excited to put this in my kitchen, and I'm gonna save some money because Keurig, at home, coffee, boom. So I got this right here. Now, speaking of wellness, one of the most important things is sleep. A good night's rest is vital for health, so I got 2 pillows. I have an awesome memory foam mattress, but I don't have a memory foam pillow. So I got 2 of these awesome pillows at JCPenney. Let me actually show you real quick. I can just feel this is gonna be perfect to lay my head on tonight. I want to already put this on my bed, so I'm excited about this. It just feels like, feels amazing. Great price too. All right, now this is something I'm very much stoked about. I got a Nutri Ninja right here. So I got this blender that I've had my eye on. I have another big blender at home, but sometimes with like a big blender, it's kind of, I honestly get lazy to take it out and wash it. I just get very lazy with that kind of stuff. So this is perfect because it just does the job, and I love making myself some raspberry smoothies and raspberry bowls, acai bowls, things like that. So I will be doing a bunch of juicing and smoothing this year, and this is gonna go great in my kitchen, and you can do a bunch. It comes with different cups. It has really amazing reviews. So this is gonna be my buddy for the year, this Ninja, which I'm really stoked about as well. Now at JCPenney, I also found a really awesome pair of shoes. I got some Adidas. You know that I love this brand, and as I said in my first video while I was shopping, I'm looking for some nice shoes to run because I do want to do more cardio. So I found these great sneakers here from Adidas. These are cloud foam, so they're very, very comfortable, light, and just great for running. So I can't wait to wear these and start running with these shoes. Very stylish, very on trend, so I'm really happy about this. Now, speaking of wellness, water is really important as well. Something to have every single day, all day. So I found this 24-ounce straw tumbler. I like the, wood design. Really cool, very sturdy. This will keep your beverages cold. Especially me, just with errands and stuff, I want sometimes just a cup that I can just, carry ice cold water with. So this is really great, and it looks stylish, really cool. And lastly, I found myself a nice pair of Levis because I've gotta feel good, and I love myself a good pair of jeans. So I found this awesome skinny pair of, black jeans. Now, they had so many different washes that I was really impressed with. I had to go with black because you can never really go wrong with a black pair of jeans. So I got this as well from JCPenney, and I also got myself a poopery because, yes. Alright guys, that is what I picked up. A bunch of really awesome stuff that is going to just really make my year that much better. Thank you once again, JCPenney, for working with me in today's video. And if you want to watch part 1, go to my YouTube channel. It is going to be linked down below in the down bar to check out part 1 when I was shopping and going around the store. That is it. Thank you so much for watching, and with that being said, more info down below in the down bar, and I will see you all hopefully sometime very soon. All right, bye.